All right, advisors, I'm talking to you. We are so excited about Media Now Camp this summer at Drake University, July 10th through the 13th. Now, if you do not have your students in yet, please contact me if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you out. Get your students in there. Whatever we can do, we'll make it happen, okay? We have a prepay option for you to basically sign up and say, I want 5 seats. We can invoice your school, and you can add the student names later. Totally fine. We have a lot of systems in place to help you make it easier to get kids. I know you've got tons of stuff going on these last few weeks of school. I get it. I am married to an advisor, so I understand. But we are just excited to get your kids in there. I know they're going to have a great time. If you've never been, the activities, the bonding that happens between the kids, but then what they learn in the classes, the field work they do, the classwork they do combines into an awesome portfolio piece. We are just stoked about what these kids can do in just 4 days. So I encourage you to check it out. Our classes are filling up quickly, so we are having a few classes that will be closing here within the next few days. So get your kids in, email me at kate@medianow.press or check out medianow.press for all the information. I can't wait to hear from you and meet your kids and or you this summer.